What is going on, good people? Got me some wings. Hot barbecue, to be exact. And I had to go grab the kids something. So, oh man, I see a guy walking with a trash bag. He just pulled out of a trash can. But I had to go get the kids something. So one kid wanted shrimp fried rice, and the other wanted McDonald's. So here we are. These wings are always the bomb. Ooh. Spicy. I also got a seafood boil, which is why I only got 6 wings. Pull up and wait. Yes. Okay. Thank you. So, the only thing about going multiple places is I try to wait until I get everything before I delve into my food. Because I have to keep reaching for money or a card for my phone. Ooh, these wings feel like they're going to slip out my hand. Yes. Thank you. Appreciate it. You too. Oh my goodness. Ooh, these wings are good. But they are spicy. The sun and the melanin. Now I can't clean the bone like some of these people I've seen. Who stick the entire wing in their mouth. And take it out and be done. I can't quite do that with these spicy ones. But I can get it done with some of the regular ones. And on this ride home, I just kind of want to briefly talk about being burdened and living in that day in and day out. Most of us are problem solvers. And we have a pretty good idea how to get ourselves out of a bind, I think. And if you find yourself in a bind and you can't get out by yourself, then you know to use your resources and find alternative means or alternative ways. So, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about mindset and knowing here I go spilling stuff. Here I go. That seasons don't last always. And then what you speak over yourself on a day-to-day basis really matters, like whether you think so or not. We have to be intentional with our language and believe in what it is that we say. So saying, you know, I'm stuck in a rut and things never work out for me, and I just, you know, this, and, you know, sort of pity parties. Now, as far as pity parties, my rule of thumb is no more than half a day. So a few hours tops. Just sulking. Then it's time to get up and do something actionable. Sometimes when I feel like life is beating me down, oh, this chicken is so good. I'm sorry. I should probably pick another time to film this video, but sometimes when life is beating me down, I live by my timer on my phone for a few days until I can get myself motivated and back up to speed to do things without being held accountable by my timer. So I'll set an hour to work on something specific, and when the timer goes off, I move on to the next thing. Where there's a will, there's a way. As long as you get up every day with a sense of purpose and knowing that whatever it is you're going through is not going to last forever and ever, I think once you're on the other side of it, you can look back and say, oh, okay, I see what I was supposed to learn from this. And who knows, maybe along comes somebody who actually needs your guidance and your help moving through something similar, or just another adverse situation in their lives. We just got to be mindful that we are running our very own race, and our challenges are not going to look like somebody else's challenges, which means the strategy that they use to get out of their bind may not be the strategy that's going to propel you out of yours. I think we just have to hunker down and find that support. Sometimes it comes easily and you find it in the most unlikely of places, but other times you have to go looking for it. Both times, in my opinion, you're equally blessed because you are now surrounded by somebody who can help, somebody who can guide, somebody who can listen, somebody who can network and reach out on your behalf, maybe even somebody who can provide. So I say all that to say, just hang in there. Hang in there, and we'll see. you will see in the end that things will work out just the way they're supposed to. All right? Till next time, be blessed. Wish you the best. Toodles.